Hey guys, Matthias here from Molnify. Today I just wanted to create a quick video to you showing how you can create an app in Google Sheets this time. And it's going to be an app that sends data to that same Google Sheets. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing we do is we go to app.molnify.com and we click on Create App. Here you can see that you can drop your Excel files, but you can also move down here to either create a new Google Sheets document or link an existing document. And what we're going to do is that we're going to create a new document. So if I click this button here, Molnify will prepare our new document, and it will actually set this up with two inputs, A and B, and also two outputs here, the sum and the product. But we don't really want those, so we will go to the sidebar here and we will click Edit. When we do that, the Google Sheet that the app comes from will open up, and here we have the first input, the second input, and then the first output and the second output. And I am going to delete these by doing this, and then also uncolor them. And what I want to do, I want to create an app where a person can type his or her name like that, turn this into an input, and then their email address like that, and like so. Why don't we create some outputs as well? Name and email address like that. And here we're just gonna have an if formula. So if this one is empty, type out 2 dashes, otherwise type out whatever is in this box here. I will do the same here. So if I type Matthias here, it'll say Matthias, otherwise it will say just 2 dashes. And I'm going to color these red like that. Let's also actually create an ID. So add row email, that's what I'm going to call this, and name your information. And let's color these purple, and I usually make the text white so it's easier to read. Alright, so that's the app now. Now let's head on back to this application and click update here. So now Molnify will update the application from Google Sheets, and now you see that we have still 2 inputs and 2 outputs, but now it's name and email address. So I can type Matthias here and email address matthias@molnify.com. Alright, that's cool, but now we want to actually send this data to that same Google spreadsheet. So if someone comes in here and types their name and email address, we want to have a button here that says send data. And that data is then going to end up in the Google spreadsheet. So first thing I'm going to do is go back to the Google spreadsheet, and I am actually going to create another sheet here which is named data like that. And here we will just have name and email like that. This is the headers. Turn them into bold, make this a bit wider, and also this a bit wider. And this is the area here where the data should be ending up. So let's create an action now, and actions are yellow cells in Molnify, and we have a bunch of them. We have an email action, we have send data to our SQL database, send data to a Slack channel, to a Microsoft Teams channel, to an SMS, but this time we're going to build the action called add row. So I'm writing here type and then add row like that. And where are we going to send this data? Well, we're going to send it to the same Google spreadsheet. So we want to share this and get a link which we can paste into here. So now I'm just clicking copy link here, and the link is copied. So I'm clicking done, and then I'm pasting this link into the document as ID. All right. The title is going to be send data, and the title can be, of course, anything. And the first row we're going to send is this one, right? The second one is whatever is typed into this cell right here. Okay, and then we need to specify what sheet is this going to go into. So I'll type sheet and then data, and this could be another Google Sheets. It doesn't have to be the sheet that the app is built in. I'm also going to add an alert text, and I'll type, thanks, your info has been sent. That's it really. To turn these cells into an action, I'm going to highlight the right column here, and I'm going to pick the yellow color because that's our action color. So now we'll head back to the application once again, and we'll click update. And now we have added a button called send data, which is right down here. So let's try it out. Matthias, and email address is matthias@molnify.com, and send data, and thanks, your info has been sent. Very cool. Let's see where it ended up. It ended up right here, Matthias@molnify.com. So that's how easy you can create an app that sends data from an app to a Google spreadsheet. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and if you would like to try to create your own application using either Excel or Google Sheets, go to app.molnify.com and sign up for a 30-day free trial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.